Listen, Punk, if you don't spill the beans...
It's fine, it's fine. He had too much coffee today. But please, we need to know how you got sucked into that video game.
I have no idea. I was just playing this game and suddenly the lights went all flashy and boom, we were in a video game.
Okay. Give us a couple minutes. There's a waiting room outside.
Well, that was terrifying.
Oh look, I love this game.
No, don't. Not again.
It wasn't my fault.
Here's your challenge. You'll do it, or you'll die.
Well, that was helpful. What do we have to do?
It's a riddle, I guess. I am a riddle, the answer is gone. Get it right, you have until dawn.
What does it mean the answer's gone?
Ah, you got it right.
Worst luck next time.
Okay. What do we do now?
Why don't zombies eat popcorn with their fingers?
Well, maybe they like to eat their fingers separately.
Right? Again? You guys are no fun. Die already!
What has one eye but can't see?
A blind cyclops?
No. Finally, the fun begins. That was disappointing. You'll die anyway.
Hey, where'd they go?
I think I've read something about this before.
We have to get in there.
Finally, sweet, sweet revenge.